Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Netgear Orbi 370 BE50001 wireless dual-band 3-piece mesh Wi-Fi system. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Netgear Orbi 370 BE5000 is a Wi-Fi 7 dual-band mesh system that includes one router, 2 satellites, providing up to 6,000 square feet of coverage and supporting approximately 70 connected devices. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, connect the modem to the 2.5G internet, port on the Orbi router using the supplied Ethernet cable. Plug the router into a power outlet. Turn on the modem. Wait until the modem is completely online. Wait for the Orbi router LED to pulse white and then stabilize. Now connect to the Orbi network. Option A is using Wi-Fi. Locate the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password on the router label. Connect your phone, tablet, or computer to the Orbi Wi-Fi network. Option B is using Ethernet. Connect your computer directly to one of the router's LAN ports. Launch a web browser. Enter one of the following in the address bar, orbilogin.com or orbilogin.net. Press Enter. You'll be prompted to log in. The default username is admin, and the default password is password, unless you've changed these credentials. The Orbi Setup Wizard will open automatically. Click Next. Accept the terms and conditions. The router will detect your internet connection automatically. Configure your internet connection. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, usually detected automatically. Second is PPPoE, enter your ISP username and password. And the third one is Static IP, enter the IP information provided by your ISP. Click Next after completing the required information. Create your wireless network. Wi-Fi name, SSID, choose a unique network name. Wi-Fi password, create a strong password containing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Next to continue. Set up the administrator account used to manage the Orbi system. Username usually remains admin password, create a secure password. Select and answer the security questions. This password is different from your Wi-Fi password. Place each satellite within 30 to 50 feet, 9 to 15 meters, of the router during the initial setup. Power on the satellite. Wait until its LED turns white. After successful pairing, move the satellite halfway between router or weak signal area. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.